हेलो स्टूडेंट, आप सब कैसे हैं। आज हम आपको नाइन्थ नाइन्थ क्लास में द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ का दूसरा वीडियो आपको इस चैप्टर का डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं। सो स्टूडेंट, मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, these organisms are formed of many cells. In fact, number of cells group together and require different functions to form various body part in multicellular organism. For example, fungi, plants and animals including human beings. In fact, the multicellular organism has come into existence from a single cell. Example, fertilization of egg cells with sperm result in the formation of a single called zygote. This single cell divide and redivides in various planes to produce a multicellular bodies. The cell further divide to produce different organs of a multicellular organism. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotics are the most primitive, small size 110 micron organism. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, which lack nuclear membrane around their genetic material, which is called nucleoid. They also do not contain membrane-bound cell organelles in the cytoplasm. Ribosome are present 70s ribosome. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotics have elaborate internal organization. Large size 5 to 100 micrometer. 100 micron. Every eukaryotic cell contains a plasma membrane-bound nucleus containing the genetic material and other membrane-bound cell organelles in the cytoplasm. The organelles compartmentalize the cell to facilitate specific metabolic function. Protists, fungi, plants and animals. Next, different between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, second eukaryotic cell. First point, generally smaller in size 1 to 10 micron. Generally eukaryotic cell large in size 5 to 100 micron. Prokaryotic cell, second point, nucleus is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane and direct contact cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cell, second point, distinct nucleus is present. Nuclear material is surrounded by a nuclear membrane, is not direct contact cytoplasm. जबकि ये डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट साइटोप्लाज्म में होते हैं, ये डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट साइटोप्लाज्म में नहीं होते हैं. Contains single chromosome. Third point, eukaryotic cell contain more than one chromosome. Prokaryotic cells, fourth point, nucleus is absent. Eukaryotic cell, 4 point, nucleolus is present. Fifth point, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Eukaryotic cell, fifth point, membrane bound cell organs, mitochondria, plastid, nucleus, nucleoid, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum. For example, fungi, plants, animals, protists, human beings, etc. Prokaryotic cell, for example, bacteria, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, etc. Difference between unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism, multicellular organism. First point, it consists of a single cell. It consists of large number of cells. Second point, the single cell performs all the life activities. Multicellular, a single cell performs one or a few activities. Third point, there is no division of labor as the single cell performs all the activities. Multicellular, third point, there is division of labor or cells are specialized to perform different function of the body. Unicellular organism. Fourth point, single cell is involved in the production of new organisms during reproduction. Fourth point, multicellular organism. Only germ cell take part in reproduction. So student, cell size, generally the cell size range between 0.2 say 20 micron. The smallest cell so far observed is considered to be of Papiello pneumonia like organism or Mycoplasma gallisepticum, that is 0.1 micron. The largest cell is an eggs of ostrich, which measures as much as 6 inch in diameter with cell a 3 inch without cell. The bacteriophage are various are still smaller in size but not be considered as cell, becomes of subcellular nature. Acetabular or unicellular green algae is about 10 centimeter in length. In algae Caulerpa, length 1 meters. Fibers of rami are about 50 to 55 centimeter long. Animals nerve fiber are the longest, up to 19 centimeter to few meter. Cell number count, there is a wide range in number of cells ranging from a single cell in multicellular form. Unicellular organisms have single cell. Example, yeast, diatoms, protist. In multicellular organisms, number is not definite. Example, a man of 80 kg has about 16,000 billion cells. In green algae, Pandorina colony, fixed number of cells 8, 16, 32. Euderina colony, fixed number of cells 16, 32, 64 cells. Cell shape, there is great variability in cell shape, that is spherical, polygonal, dish-like, cuboidal, columnar, spindle-like, etc. Individual cells are generally ball-like, spherical. Shape of the cell sometimes changes because of the function of, example, amoeba, leukocyte. So स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट डे मिलते हैं. गुड बाय.